other things are important. But as a professional, we have to know our ethics given by institute and also sincerely follow that. For that, we have a very capable person to open today's inning, CA Bhupendra Gupta, Bhupendra Shah sir. I shall request my colleague Ankush Gupta to introduce him for that.
Very good morning to everyone. Thank you, Bipen Bhai, for giving me this opportunity. Friends, you all know that this code of conduct session was going to be held in December, but because of the election activities, this session got postponed in January. And we are grateful and thankful to Bhupendra Shah sir that he accepted the postponed time and day also, and he is giving us the time. Thank you, Bhupendra Bhai. So I'll give a very short and brief introduction about our today's learned senior speaker, CA Bhupendra Shah sir. Bhupendra Shah sir, he is in profession since 1981-82. In 2015, he was appointed as a special invitee to the PDC committee by the president of ICAI. He has delivered many lectures at DTRTI of Income Tax Department for department officers and also seminar webinar for different organizations, study circles, RRC of ICI, etc. His area of specialization is direct tax drafting, consultation, appellate work up to CIT, and search and seizure matter, family arrangements, etc. He is also a qualified PR reviewer. With this short and very brief introduction, we welcome Bhupendra Shah sir. And before handing him the stage, I would request please come forward. We will give you a memento. I request everyone to please welcome him with a huge round of applause. Thank you. Sir, the stage is yours, sir.
This is the problem when you have a sudden seminar at short notice. 1 minute. Yeah. Hello to everybody. Say hello. By the time he sets the laptop for me, let us understand the topic for the day. Otherwise, what will happen? The whole session will be over and you will not remember what was the topic. would you prefer theory or practical examples? But you know, this is getting recorded. And code of conduct will lead to another misconduct. Because I have handled n number of cases and theory you know all very well. But still today's 2 sessions are given to me. And again I have to speak for 3 hours again at evening. So 6 hours I have to speak. I am not tired. But I am looking at the preference of the audience. What is the unanimous preference, theory or practical? Okay. Then easy. Then I don't think, then PPT will be given to you. And I'll directly speak for the practical examples. मिला आपको? Code of conduct. ऊपर ही। है? We have all, लेकिन आपका ये कनेक्टेड नहीं है. कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज माई स्लाइड इज डिफरेंट, दिस इज डिफरेंट. प्रभु यहाँ से अंतर्ध्यान, यहाँ से प्रकट. You have all studied code of conduct, but thereafter you have forgotten. Because you are very busy with practice. Today we have gathered to acquire knowledge and recollect whatever we have learned. So 2 topics are assigned to me out of 4 today. Permissible services and non-permissible services. And secondly is common non-compliances. These are some of the most interesting cases which I have handled. This will cover most of these 2 topics. So what I feel is that, yeah, it has come. Na? This is myself in a different attire, 10 years back, no problem. Why code of conduct? Integrity, you know all. Objectivity in reporting. Most of the misconduct is arising from attestation function. Mainly attestation, because you are certifying something. What is the root of ICAI? ODIR, right? Auditing, attestation, certification. Your document, signed document is relied upon by public at large. So competence and due care, confidentiality and professional behavior. These are the root causes of following ethics or not following ethics. There are various threats to your professional good conduct. Self-interest threat. You know that you represent one client over other. Self-review threat. Within the accountant's firm that you have to do. Then advocacy threat, to promote a client's position to the point that the accountants are not compromised. What? That can be done by them. I can move you people, not the slides. Okay. Familiarity threat, sympathy or easy acceptance of work. हमारा पहचान वाला है, कर दो. आज 10,000 करोड़ का स्कैंडल बाहर निकला है. पढ़ा आज का today's news. 10,000 crore scandal only. There will be at least one CFO. There will be one auditor, one internal auditor, one management consultant, one tax. All gone to air. The root cause is that at Ahmedabad company, listed company. When I was coming here, I read that. Intimidation threat. Perceived pressure. Limited review मेरे को देने का है कल का कल. Why you should bother about the deadline? If the client is not bothered, why you should bother? You remember earlier, all organizations from business, they were never applying for extension of time. Why you people are bothered for extension of time? Is it your duty or their duty? क्या हो गया भैया? अच्छा ओके, देव उनको स्लाइड जरा दिख नहीं रहा, दिखता है अभी? अभी दिख रहा है ना? यहाँ वाले को भी दिख रहा है कि खाली मैं ही दिख रहा हूँ? तो आप ये बाजू आ जाइए थोड़ा, ऐसा है तो. So these are some of the threats. Then you have to evaluate the threat, which I will not go deep into. Then you have to address, you have to solve those threats. Now, most important thing is that when you are doing some attestation or assurance work, list is full of to-do list, not to-do list. To-do list, not to-do list. Two things are there. Okay. So you keep in mind where there is no entry, stop it. Now, Companies Act 2013. I can see many of the people who have become CA after 2013 Act is enacted. But some of them are looking senior. They have become CA when there was a Companies Act 1956. Both are almost similar, but this is suitable to world economy and world accountants. So lot of constraints are there. And any auditor appointed under Companies Act shall provide to the company only such services as approved by the board of directors or the audit committee. Audit committee is only in the listed company, right? And not in the unlisted company, as the case may be, but shall not include any of the following services. तो ये लिस्ट टेबल पे होना चाहिए. तो मी नोवेच, ये मैं नहीं हूं, ये मैं नहीं कर सकता हूं. ग्रेट अभिनय सम्राट, क्या क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं? I remember one case in which I never represent case which is filed by the public against our member, because that is against my own code of conduct. How can you fight against your own member? Whatever he has done is his lookout. But by both of complainant and respondent, both are CA. Then you have to see who is right as per our little knowledge. So one day I was representing one case in which very huge complaint was made by one CA against another CA. And what was the gist of the complaint? He had not taken, you remember earlier to GST, what was there? VAT and service tax. And VAT had 704 or 704, I am not auditor any longer, but 704 form was there. That also is a certificate and in the form of audit. He did not take no objection from earlier previous auditor. Then the case came to me by the respondent. I was representing respondent. And see how our members also make complaint. First of all, such type of complaints are based only upon non-receipt of agreed professional fees. Suppose he was doing lot of work for the company, but if audit fees were paid, then there cannot be objection. Secondly, after complaint and before hearing, even if the fees are paid, where is the cause of action? Except harassment. There is no cause of action. Okay. Then I realized that company is a company, private limited company. Company audit, NOC taken. Tax audit, NOC taken and accepted by the complainant that he has given NOC. His huge complaint was that under VAT audit, no NOC is obtained. ऐसे बोले तो बड़ी आश्चर्य की बात है. जो आदमी दो का लेगा वो तीसरा क्यों नहीं लेगा? Actually what had happened is that he had put all the three letters separately because three are different act. And some dispute arose between management and the previous auditor. So he took this a chance and dragged him for 6 years for such a small, trivial, hopeless matter. Now my thought is linked to this accounting and bookkeeping. I found out that that fellow complainant was keeping books of account under VAT during argument in this building on 6th floor. That time it was physical, na? It was physical, na? Now it is online after Supreme Court order. घर पे बैठ के कर सकते हो argument. I argued that in fact complainant himself has not come to this august forum with a clean hand. He himself is accepting that he is maintaining accounts and books for VAT for the company under which audit is carried out. I have not filed a complaint against him. There is some limit and decency. If I have obtained 2, why should I not obtain 3rd? Companies and tax audit, it is obtained and accepted. Complaint dismissed without cost. So this you cannot do when you are auditor. This is self-threat against your interests, rights and duties. Internal audit you can't do of the same company. Many people are doing, I have seen. कुछ नहीं होता है, बोलते हैं सब बाजी मुला है रास्ते का. Design and implement financial information system. Actuarial services किसके लिए? रिटायरमेंट बेनिफिट क्वांटिफिकेशन होता है ना अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से. इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजरी सर्विसेज, म्यूचुअल फंड का टाई वाला है, वो खुद ही बन जाता है ऑडिटर के बाद. टाई वाला जो खुद बेचेगा कंपनी को दिलवाएगा और जो खुद लेगा वो कंपनी को बिकवाएगा. इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग सर्विस, लोन टक्के वाला सब. रेंडरिंग ऑफ आउटसोर्स फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज. मैनेजमेंट सर्विसेज, वो बोर्ड ऑफ मीटिंग में भी बैठता है. मैंने कितना ऑडिटर को देखा है, बोलो. दे आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग. आई हैड वन वेरी बिग केस इन गोवा ITAT. तो there we used to go. I was representing only for tax purpose. I don't do audit. Even my audit is done by some other CS, so I don't know anything now about audit. But I saw their auditor fully participating in management as if he is a managing director. Even scolding the employees also. बोलता तू भाई कब डायरेक्टर का साइन भी कर लेना अभी. This is any kind of services which may be prescribed. So these are basic. Most of the complaints are around this. Okay. Now, ये जाने दो, थियरी में नहीं लूंगा. मैनेजमेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. A firm shall not assume management responsibility for an audit client or to the holding of subsidiary company of such client. That also you remember. Not only of the auditee, but also of the ultimate subsidiary or ultimate holding or upper level or lower level, whatever. That reminds me of one instance. Oppo and Vivo, क्या बोलते हैं Vivo और Oppo, ऋतिक रोशन जो भी है ना, वो था ना मॉडल आई थिंक. ऐसा है जैसे वो चिकना ऐसा भी फोन भी चिकना 25,000 में आईफोन के सामने है. रास्ते का माल सस्ता. कितने से ये लोगों ने hundreds of कंपनी खोल के दी थी. What they have done? Attestation for memorandum and association as a witness to the director who are not existing. One day I was coming down from some tribunal and somebody told me that I have received one misconduct proceeding. I said कुछ तो किया होगा, ऐसा थोड़ा आएगा. मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता है. क्यों नहीं आता है? तेरे को ही आता है सब. पता नहीं मैंने एक चाइनीज कंपनी खोल के रखा था. तो चाइनीज नूडल्स खा के किया था कि बिना खाया किया था, बता दे पहले तो. बोलता वो किधर है सब्सक्राइबर? बोलता वो एग्जिस्टेंस में ही नहीं है. तो तुम सर्टिफाई कैसे किया? कैसे किया? नो आंसर. 439 CAs are under scanner for this. बात तो अभी शुरू हुई है, आगे चलते हैं. बाद में क्या बताया मेरे को उसने? दूसरा भी चार्ज मेरे पे है. मैं बोलता अच्छा, बोलो भैया. भैया नहीं, बहन जी थी. बोलो बहन जी, दूसरा चार्ज क्या है? ये घर से प्रैक्टिस करने वाली बहना थी, लाड़की बहन, घर से प्रैक्टिस करती थी. दूसरा क्या किया सोच सकते हैं आप? सर, आई हैव फॉरगॉटन टू अपलोड कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. मैं बोला फॉरगॉटन और नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू. उसको मालूम ही नहीं था कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट होना चाहिए. हाउस होल्ड प्रैक्टिसिंग, प्रैक्टिस करना है बिना नॉलेज. अभी लेवल 1, 2, 3 सब अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड आ गया, मालूम नहीं है उनको. कैश फ्लो इज कंपल्सरी. बोलता तेरे पास प्रूफ है क्या कि कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट वो साइन एंड प्रिपेयर्ड ऑन दिस डेट? कोई एक ईमेल भी है दैट यू साइन एंड रिटर्न टू द कंपनी? तो वो तो नहीं है. तो मैं गए जन्म में भी शाहरुख खान था, ऐसा प्रूफ मेरे पास नहीं, लेकिन मैं आज शाहरुख खान हूं, बोलना चाहता हूं. वही हो गया ना. हाउ डू यू प्रूव? लॉ रिक्वायर्स एविडेंस. यू कैन नॉट आर्ग्यू लाइक ए फुल. दूसरा चार्ज ये अभी नहीं है, तो भारत चालू है. भारत चालू है. डेप्रिसिएशन इन द कंपनीज एक्ट प्रोवाइडेड एज पर कंपनीज एक्ट एंड नो रिमार्क. क्यों? क्योंकि रिटर्न भरने के लिए इजी होता है ना, इसके लिए. घर पे बैठ के प्रैक्टिस. She was not knowing that Companies Act depreciation. Okay, you provided, but there are qualificatory note required, no, in the company's audit, that this is not as per Companies Act. So your responsibility is at least reduced, not avoided. There is an arguable case, there is a presentable thought, and some defense. कुछ नहीं. हमारा रिटर्न के लिए इजी होता है ना, भर दिया, बुक तो अभी. तो activities that would be considered management is included. Setting the policy. ये एरिया में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं करने का, ये भी ऑडिटर लोग तय करते हैं. बोलो अभी क्या बोलने का? They are extending their brief. Hiring और dismissing employee, इसको निकाल दो, ये अकाउंटेंट फालतू है. ऐसा भी देखा है मैंने. Directing taking responsible action of the employees, इसको रखो क्योंकि उसका मिला जुला है. You tell me, in most of the misconduct which you are, सत्यम में क्या हुआ था? What was one line story of सत्यम? अरे बोलो ना भाई, मैं ही बोलते जाऊंगा तो मेरा तो 6 घंटा बोलने का है. फिर भी मैं झुकूंगा नहीं, थकूंगा नहीं, कुछ नहीं, खड़ा रहूंगा 6 घंटा. बोलिए एक लाइन स्टोरी क्या है सत्यम का? अरे बोलो ना, एक ही लाइन, ज्यादा नहीं. आप व्हाट्सएप का जमाना है आपका, एक ही लाइन लिखने का. क्या था? मिली भगत तो आपने आउटकम बताया. फ्रॉड क्या था? यस सर, दैट इज अ व्हाट्सएप लैंग्वेज. हाँ हाँ जी. यू आर नियर आर. हाँ यस, एम्प्लॉइज. हाँ दूसरा. हाँ जी, हमें किसी को जरूरत नहीं, हम बोलते जा रहे हैं. बुलेट ट्रेन चल रही है, रुकेंगी नहीं. कभी कभी यहाँ और यहाँ की स्लाइड में थोड़ा फर्क होता है, बताइएगा. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वही चल रहा है ना. अरे बोलो ना भैया, क्या हो गया? हाँ जी. हाँ, करेक्ट आंसर इज दिस. 5,566,000 करोड़ के एफडी न तो देखी, न तो टीडीएस देखा, न 26 एएस देखा, न कुछ देखा, और गाड़ी रफ्तार से चलती गई और सर्टिफाई कर दिया ट्रू एंड फेयर, कलर्ड जेरोक्स, कलर्ड टीडीएस, कलर्ड ऑडिटर. यू कैन प्रिंट एनीथिंग ना. अभी तो एआई का जमाना है. कल मेरे को बताया कि कोई अननोन एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस का सॉन्ग चल रहा है, दोनों का कोई फिल्म में मेल जोल ही नहीं है, तो भी दोनों फिल्म में थे नहीं, तो भी तो ये भी ऐसा ही हो गया सत्यम का कांड। एफडी देखा ही नहीं था। तो आपने 1956 कंपनीज एक्ट में ऑडिट में क्या था, अभी नहीं है वो, आई रिमेंबर, बिकॉज once I have studied any act I'll never forget. Income other आता है ना अपना प्रॉफिट लॉस में, इंटरेस्ट इनटू ब्रैकेट टीडीएस डालने का था वो जमाने में, अभी उड़ गया सब। वो टीडीएस कैसे डाला तुमने, क्या चेक किया? 4000 करोड़ का एवरेज 6% भी गिनो तो कितना इंटरेस्ट हो गया, 240 करोड़ जो भी, उसके ऊपर इंटरेस्ट 10%, और कंपनी का तो ज्यादा रहेगा, बरोबर ना, एम आई राइट? देखा ही नहीं आपने कुछ, तो किया क्या? साइंड सील्ड एंड डिलीवर्ड, पार्कर पेन। तो ये तो होना ही